All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and we about to get busy here in this kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious chili mac casserole. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Remember, these ingredients can be found on my website at ijustcookalot.com or allwingseverything.com. Back here we have our elbow macaroni, ground beef, diced tomatoes, some red kidney beans, tomato sauce, heavy whipping cream here, cumin, black pepper, paprika, chopped garlic, cumin, sazon completa, chili powder, and we have 2 cups of cheddar cheese right here. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna prepare our pasta. You're gonna bring some water up to boil. I've already salted it. We're just gonna add our pasta here, and we're gonna let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until al dente. While that cooks, we're gonna start preparing our ground beef mixture. All right, to get started, we're gonna add a little olive oil here. All right, guys, once that pan is hot, you're gonna add an ingredient that I forgot to put in the shot, and that's our onions and our garlic. We're gonna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, guys, after that 3 minutes, you're gonna go in with your ground beef. And you're gonna cook this for the next 5 to 7 minutes until it's brown, breaking it up as we go along. All right, so after that 5 to 7 minutes and you browned your ground beef, we're gonna remove our ground beef and get it drained. All right, once we've drained it, we're gonna add it back to our stove. We're gonna go in with our chili powder, our cumin, smoked paprika, black pepper, and our sazon completa. Now, if you wanna use salt, you can, or seasoned salt's totally up to you, just some type of all-purpose seasoning. And we're gonna get this mixed in and toast it for about a minute or so. And guys, this is going to enhance the flavor by letting this cook for that 1 to 2 minutes. All right, after that, you're gonna go in with your diced tomatoes, kidney beans, and tomato sauce. We're gonna stir this well, get it combined. Once we get it combined, we're gonna reduce our heat to a medium low, and we're gonna let that baby simmer for the next 10 minutes. If you need to adjust the seasoning during this time, feel free to do so. All right, guys, after that 10 minutes, we're gonna go in with our pasta, and we're gonna get that mixed in here. Once you get that mixed in, we're gonna go in with our heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna get this mixed in and combined well. All right, so once we get that combined and mixed well, we're gonna head over to our cutting board, to our baking dish, so we can get it prepared, all right? So now we're at our cutting board. I've already greased it with a little cooking sprays. You can use butter or olive oil, totally up to you. We're gonna take our pasta mixture and we're gonna add it here to our pan, or our baking dish rather. We're gonna get this spread out evenly. Lastly, once we get it spread out throughout our baking dish, we're gonna add our cheese to the top. All right, so now that we've added our cheese, we're going to put this in a preheated oven of 375 degrees. It's gonna cook for 15 to 20 minutes, all right? Let's get this baby in the oven. So after about 20 minutes in the oven, this is what we have. We're gonna let this rest for about 5 minutes to let all those juices redistribute, and we're gonna come right back. After that 5 minutes, we're gonna top this with some chopped green onions. You know we like to throw that green stuff on here. All right, guys, it's quality control time. Let's bring our groceries to the front of the congregation. I can already tell you, well, let me do the quality control right quick so then I'll tell you what I see that I do different. It's chili mac. Oh man. Oh man. This baby is delicious despite what I do different. What I do different is I would not use 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Stick with 8 ounces. That's all you need is 8 ounces. Too much pasta. It's soaking up all the liquid. Cut down on the pasta and you have a perfect dish. That's my only critique. That's the only thing I do different. Until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.